Good morning, students. Today we have a quiz of the fourth term. To develop the quiz, you need to go to your Richmond account. You are on Richmond. You are going to find a yellow star, an assignment. So we click, and there we have our quiz fourth term. So you open the quiz, and we have different activities. Estas actividades no están en orden, chicos, entonces nosotros las vamos a desarrollar en orden. Como podemos ver, dice página 92, página 99 y página 100. Vamos a empezar por la página 92, actividad 1. So, click on page 92, activity 1. And here is the activity. What you need to do here is to read a text about ancient Egypt. And what is the idea? Read the text and place the paragraph headings. Debemos poner los títulos en cada párrafo. When you finish, click on Submit. Then you continue with page 92, activity 2. So you click. And in this case, we have to answer the questions about the text. So you need to read the text and answer the 5 questions. When you finish, click on Submit. After that, now we go to page 99, activity 1. So please click here. And in this part, we have grammar exercises. So complete the profile about yourself. So in this case, we need to use the zero conditional. As you remember, the zero conditional is present plus present. For example, when I put ice into water, the ice melts. So, in the case of this activity, you are going to complete with present. For example, when I hear a good joke, cuando escucho un buen chiste, I laugh. For example, yo me río. And this is in present simple. And in that way, you are going to complete the 4 sentences and click on Submit. Then we continue with page 99, activity 2. This is another grammar exercise. So in here is the same. You can see here the zero conditional. Look and complete the sentences. We are going to complete these 3 sentences according to the images. When Luis feels tired, so you can see that Luis is on his bed. So he goes, because this is in present, to bed. And we can continue the same. When Ross is hungry in the afternoon, what does she do? So you need to look at the image and complete the sentence. Don't forget to click on Submit. After that, we are going to go to page 99, activity 3. So, in here, what do we have to do? Look and complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs. So here we have 3 sentences and images. If she studies for her English exam, she will pass. As you can see, this is the first conditional. Remember that the first conditional is present plus will. For example, if I study, I will pass the exam. So in this part, you are going to complete with the first conditional. Here you have the example. If she studies with present simple, she will pass the exam. So you need to do the same in number 2 and in number 3. This is in present and this is in future with will. So easy. So please click on Submit when you finish. After you finish page 99, activity 3, you go to page 100. In page 100, we have activity 4, activity 5, and activity 6. So we are going to start with activity 4. This time is another grammar exercise, but it is about the second conditional. So look at the pictures and complete the sentences. So if I lived on a desert island, and here we have the image that we need to use. Remember that the second conditional has present simple plus would. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a car. So in the exercise, we are going to complete with would, as you can see here, and we have the verbs in brackets. So I would eat, and you complete with the image. The same in the 5 sentences. Don't forget to click on Submit when you finish. Then you need to go to page 100, activity 5. In this part, what is the activity? We need to unscramble the questions. Those questions are in second conditional. So remember the structure that you have on your notebook about the questions in second conditional. And you need to organize the word to make the correct question. Once you organize the questions on page 100, activity 5, you need to go to the next part of the activity, which is to answer the questions. You need to match the question with the answer and click on Submit. Then you go to the last activity, that is page 100, activity 6. So, what are we going to do in this part? We are going to complete the sentences using wish. So remember the structure of wish. We put the word wish plus past simple. For example, I wish I had, which is a verb in past, I wish I had a lot of money. So in the activity, they are giving like situations or problems that you want to change. So you are going to use the word wish to describe how to change the situation. For example, you have an important exam tomorrow and you are not ready. So I wish I didn't have an exam. So you are going to do the same with the 4 sentences. You don't have enough money to buy a new laptop. So what is your wish? So I wish, and you write your sentence. When you finish, you click on Submit. When you finish all the activities from the quiz, you are going to click on Submit again. And this start must be completely green. Debe estar completamente verde. Y acá debe decir la palabra done. Don't forget that this is an important grade. Este quiz es una nota de inglés. Por favor, debes asegurarte que acá esté la palabra done y la estrella esté verde, o si no, va a quedar como si no hubiéramos realizado el quiz. Okay, so good luck and see you next class. Bye bye.